Lives of a cell, the road to synergy. At a very fundamental level is a hierarchy of systems which coordinates and synchronizes the three streams from the nanoscale through the mesoscale. First, a quick review. Everything we perceive, know, or do is through three interdependent information streams. Fine-tuning these streams can accelerate language adaptation. Language teaching and learning methods and models operate within one or more of the three streams depending on their complexity level, goals, and learning strategies. A cell is a self-organizing chunk of information flow made up of smaller cells and can accumulate to larger cells. Each stream can be verified and stabilized by the other streams. The less stable intersecting regions between the streams are where feedback between the streams can explore meaning, discover coordination, and refine learning strategies. Let's look at the process hierarchy. Embedded process system hierarchy. The lower system dynamics submits to control influence from the next higher level. Correlation leads to coordination. Coordination leads to synchrony. Synchrony leads to synergy. Synergy leads to self-organization, which leads to meta-learning. Relevant signal is selected from the field of input. Correlation occurs with similar signals in the same stream as patterns are identified. The same occurs in the other streams. More patterns are identified and are recognized as units and as meaningfully similar across streams. Further parts are coordinated from the whole. Patterns become unities as the dynamics of the whole supersedes the sum of the parts in each stream. They coordinate as whole units. The learner recognizes the synchrony of the dynamics. A cell is born. For the learner, processing a cell is more efficient than processing the parts. The lower level system order is maintained by virtue of the cell dynamics. Each term in the acronym CCSS is just one systemic level up the complexity spectrum. Let's take another perspective. Signal is a subsystem of correlation, a subsystem of coordination, a subsystem of synchrony, a subsystem of synergy, a subsystem of self-organization. How high you program the learning on this hierarchy affects the rate of learning, the learning strategies chosen, fluency, and memory. The lowest type of connection is correlation between parts in the same stream to form patterns. Coordination refers to patterns connected between streams. When two or more streams have the same pattern dynamics, speed, frequency, probability, etc., they are synchronized. Once the synchrony has stabilized and the streams function as a unity, they are a synergy, a cell. Learners coordinate and correlate to process at the same level. But to go up the flow channel requires adaptations with synchrony and synergy. Thank you for your kind attention. A shout out to the Complexity Learning Lab at Systems Innovations and to Santa Fe Institute for Complexity Science.